Welcome back to another episode of Finding Fire Beats. I am DJ Cristal. This is Beatscoutz.com. So we can find a day. Contrabands. Never let us down.
Running with contrabands.
2000s club R&B. I feel that. TLC. Okay. That boy. Oh, change this up.
Yes, sir.
Ooh. Trying to wait for it to. Harder kicks, harder claps. This will be fire. Oh, man. And a better mix. You almost there, my brother. Young Fam.
Young fam, play the beat.
Not bad. Catalog worthy. Sig host. Stay with joints. Sig host, take a day off, my brother. Miss me. Oh, it's crazy. Wavy season. Sounds promising. Hope it drops.
Hey, yo, Wavy, where you at, nigga? Yes, sir.
Just not hitting me in the chest like I needed to. It's the only thing, the mix. Good concept though. Almost there. Buck roll.
Buck roll.
Hear the difference? It's almost to the point of distortion. Got your bands. Got that one already. Got that one already. came in 4 bars before. I'm gonna wait to see what the beat actually is.
Damn.
Not for me. Trash bag beats.
Beatstars.com.
Feeling a throwback nod. R. Kelly.
Beatstars.com.
Kind of like that. I wasn't sure if I liked it or not. Boom, 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 boom.
AM to the PM production 24/7.
AM to the PM. Snoop. The kicks coming after the 808s? Yeah. They gave me the kicks with the 808. I would have felt it more. Now it just sounds like something's missing. Dancehall. Doesn't sound like dancehall.
Easy or easy?
I like the dancehall. I like the concept. But I would have turned if I wasn't really looking for beats. It's solid though. Yep. Okay. Oh no, this is not for me. Wrong choice of snare on that one, buddy. Okay, so One more. That's dope.
Shy.
Yeah. Something different. Don't know what's coming. Got another one. 3 more. Ooh, that's mean. That don't fit the groove I'm going with, the vibe. Night City Beats. Snares.
Don't get going pretty, boy.
Beatstars.com.
Solid. Kind of boring, though. Sway, what's up? It's a dope producer name. Hope the beat is fire.
Sway, what's up?
It's not there yet. Sway got another one.
Sway, what's up?
That's solid. Make the catalog. Let's see if it makes the countdown. Don't know. 2 more to go. Okay. Something different. Feeling it though. One more. Count your bands. I got you already, Buck roll.
It's a hard hat holiday.
my 10. Yeah. Until next time, I am DJ Cristal. This is Finding Fire Beats. I'm out. Peace.